The Oratge House was designed for a young family who decided to move from the city to the Montseny Natural Park in search of peace and a connection with nature. Here, they can fully enjoy the outdoor spaces of the house, enhanced by the exceptional location of the property, which offers views of the mountains and the nearby forest. Located in Catalonia, Spain, the house was built on the northwestern end of the property, leaving the southeastern part open to maximize the connection between the interior spaces and the garden, as well as to take advantage of sunlight and the forest views. The house presents itself as a compact volume made of local materials such as lime mortar and pine wood. A set of metal elements creates two porches that define the main entrances to the house and provide shading as needed. These metal elements were also designed to support climbing plants that, over time, will create green facades offering solar protection for the most exposed areas and allowing the house to blend seamlessly with the surrounding natural environment. Despite its compact appearance, the house establishes a permeable relationship with the outdoors, as the main common areas, living room, kitchen, dining room, and study, are arranged longitudinally, each with direct access to the garden. The layout of the house was designed to maximize the use of the available space by optimizing circulation, offering spatial flexibility, and rationalizing the facilities. The organization of the rooms reinforces a series of visual axes leading outside, providing abundant natural light and allowing multiple views of the privileged natural surroundings. Strategically positioned operable windows facilitate natural ventilation, leveraging local air currents from the nearby stream. The interior finishes highlight the various natural materials used in the construction. The living room is vertically connected to the study on the second floor, creating a double-height space that brings spatial richness and natural light to the interiors. This area also serves as a thermal regulator for the house, as the functional skylight in the roof efficiently dissipates heat during summer months, taking advantage of the chimney effect created by this high space. The upper floor houses the more private areas of the home, including bedrooms, a bathroom, a second study, and the laundry room.